Welcome back to Upfront and Honest Reviews. Today is May 24th, 2022. So my first video on how to combine your cashback from CapitalOneShopping and Rakuten is quite a long video, you guys. It is a complete tutorial from the sign up. It tells you how to combine to make sure you get both your cashback from CapitalOneShopping.com and Rakuten. Your CapitalOneShopping cashback will be in your CapitalOneShopping.com account. Your cashback for Rakuten will be in your Rakuten account. This is just a quick tutorial on the key points. So first, I'll tell you about signing up. First, you sign up for CapitalOneShopping.com. As you can see, all the letters are lowercase. This is the page that you will see when you go to the website. I preferred to make my own account instead of signing in with Capital One or with Google. After you sign up for CapitalOneShopping.com, you should see the S next to the puzzle piece. That is the extension button. If you don't, click on the puzzle piece up at the top right. It'll show you all your extensions. You should see that little push pin. You can click on that. Once it lights up blue, the S will show up at the top. If that push pin is not there, you can click on those three dots to the right, and you should see the option to pin that extension for CapitalOneShopping to your computer. Now it's time to sign up for Rakuten. So pause my video, go down to the link below. It's the referral link for $30 and sign up. Now I do want to make sure that I mention, just in case I forget to tell you this later, if you make an online purchase, number one, make sure that it is on the list that it will receive cash back. It will tell you on each store page inside Rakuten. I'll show you that a little bit later so you can see the list. Because if it won't earn cash back, you will not earn the referral credit. Okay, make sure that your purchase is $30 before taxes and shipping. Now, if you want to get your cash back quicker, then you want to shop in store. That will give you your $30 referral credit within a couple of hours, or possibly even before you walk out of the store. Now, if you don't want to watch this video or the other video again, you can click Show More, and it will tell you the 4 steps, and it will give you some reminders on how to sign up for both and how to make sure that you get both your cash back from both companies. After you click on the referral link for Rakuten, it will take you to a page. It will explain what I just explained about spending the amount. If you see $40, same rule applies. It has to be $40 before taxes and shipping, or if it's in store, before taxes. It's really that simple. You just put in the email, make a password, and click Join Now. If you want to receive your $30 referral credit in the same day, you go to the upper right corner, you click on the drop down menu. I know I have account settings circled. That is circled for a reason. I'll come back to this slide in just a quick second, but you click on My Wallet. It will take you to this page. And then as you can see, you can add a Visa, MasterCard, or an American Express credit card. You can also add a bank card. If you do not have a credit card, just make sure that it has one of those logos on the front or the back of your card. Okay, make sure that it's a debit card for your checking account. When you pay in store or online, choose the credit option, or you will not receive the cash back, and you also will not receive your referral credit. Just a quick side note, this is actually the first page that you will see when you go to My Wallet. And as you can see over here to the right, it says Add New Card. Okay, so you can add as many cards as you want. Make sure you add all of your cards before you go to this next page. This is the in-store cashback page. You have to come here first and link your offer for the stores that you shop at. Sometimes they will unlink, so come back in as often as you want. I would say maybe every couple of days. Check and make sure that the stores that you shop at in store are still linked. These are reusable coupons. So every time you shop at one of those stores, you have to come back into this page, the in-store page, in your Rakuten account and link the store again. Most of the stores will stay there. Some of the stores will add themselves. Some of the stores will take themselves off. There's usually about 30 to 40 stores on this list. As you can see from the red circles, or just in case you can't, I will read that. It tells me that I have all 11 of my cards linked to that offer. Now, if you add another credit card or another bank card to your wallet, you have to come back here and relink the store so that it will link the new card. That's why I said add all your cards first in your wallet and then come to this page. If you want to receive your referral credit by shopping online, you pick a store. This is just an example. You go to the search box. I typed in Samson. You will see two buttons. If you do not put the Rakuten extension on your computer or laptop, then you will see Shop Now. It's over there on the left. And there will be a button next to it that will say Shop Now without adding. That just simply means that you did not add the Rakuten extension to your computer or your laptop. You will still receive the same amount of cash back. There is no difference. The reason why you don't see that other button there is because I added the extension. I'm going to tell you, I took it off because I didn't like how it popped up when I went to the different, websites. Sometimes I was just browsing and I wasn't shopping, and Rakuten would pop up and say, hey, you're going to get your cash back. Don't worry. You don't have to go log into your account. And I like logging into my account and then searching for the store, clicking Shop Now to make sure that I get the cash back from Rakuten. Now, this is just a quick example. Let's just say it was Walmart and not Samson that you went to. That little pop-up screen on the right will pop up several times while you're on the website. Like I said, let's say you're at walmart.com. If this does not show up, that is why that extension for Capital One Shopping, that S that is in the upper right corner, that's why it is so important. You want to make sure that either while you're shopping, or I actually wait until I get to my shopping cart page. If one of these messages does not pop up for me to activate my cash back, or it might tell me, oh, there's coupons. Do you want us to try the coupons? If that message does not pop up on the right, click on the S and you will see your offer for Capital One. If you do not activate the cash back for whichever website you're on, you will not receive your cash back for Capital One Shopping. You will only receive it for Rakuten. Okay, because remember, you started off in your Rakuten account, you searched for the store, you clicked Shop Now, you were brought to the store page online, but you also have to make sure that you activate Capital One. That's how you get both. I can't stress that enough. Okay, don't forget. Okay, so to wrap things up, I want to show you very quickly in your CapitalOneShopping.com account, as you can see at the upper right, you will see your cash back. What I do is I use the cash back to make e-gift cards. It takes about maybe 48 hours for the company to make the e-gift card and for them to put it into your CapitalOneShopping.com account. You can either snap a picture of it with your phone if you did it on your computer or your laptop, or take a screenshot if you created the e-gift card on your cell phone. Okay, so when you click on your e-gift card, this is what you will see. As you can see, I chose Walmart. There will be a barcode that you can scan with one of those hand scanners, or if you're checking out with a customer service rep, they can scan the barcode as well. There also will be a PIN number down there so that you can use the PIN number on that website. All right, so that's it, you guys. The last thing to keep in mind is to make sure that you do not shop through Capital One Shopping, okay, because you will miss your Rakuten cashback. Like I said, I strictly use Capital One Shopping to make e-gift cards. There's about 30 stores that you can use. But you guys, that is it. Make sure that you follow my steps. And don't forget about the referral credit that is in the description box below. And just as a quick reminder, remember the $30 referral Rakuten link is on the webpage of this video and my other video. There's the link in blue. Your 4 easy steps to tell you how to sign up for both. Your things to remember at the bottom. And don't forget, you can refer your friends as well. Well, you guys, that's it. As always, have a great day, and thank you for watching Upfront and Honest Reviews.